Welcome! This video is an instructional guide for the IBDoc portal. In this video, we guide you through viewing a patient result. Log into the IBDoc portal using your clinical user credentials. On the dashboard, you will see a list of all patients who have completed the test, sorted by the most recent results submitted. To view more details, simply click on the desired patient. On the left panel, it will display the details of their result, including the time it was carried out, the calprotectin concentration and its classification depending on their threshold, which is also displayed in this section. You can also view the image of the patient's test cassette. On the right panel you can see the device the patient used to complete the test and any notes or concerns the patient might have added in the notes section when they were completing the test. If the patient read their test result after the 12-minute alarm, it will also show the overdue time. Another way to view specific patient's result is through the patient panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to a page that shows all the patients you've added to the IBDoc app. Find the patient's name in the list. On the right-hand side of each patient entry, you will see an action column with 3 icons. The left icon is for viewing the patient's result. The middle icon is for editing the patient's details. And the right icon is for emailing the patient directly. Clicking this icon will open an email draft with the patient's email address automatically inserted. The View Patient Result icon will allow access to the results. Once you've clicked to view the patient's result, you'll be able to see all the tests they've completed along with their results. If you want to look at a specific test result, click on the one you're interested in. This will open a detailed view of that particular test. You can also download the result as a PDF by clicking the Download PDF function. This allows you to save the patient's result to your computer.